Welcome to Bible Crafts for Kids. We're working on the top 10 Bible stories. We have finished the creation story and the beginning of man, or Adam and Eve. Today we're going to do the story of the fall of man. The name of this lesson is Adam and Eve Broke It. You may find this lesson at BibleCraftsForKids.com on the drop-down menu. Click the top 10 Bible stories and you will find Adam and Eve Broke It story. Adam and Eve, or God created Adam and Eve, was such a wonderful create a page because it was a slider page. Today we're going to do a little easier craft, but you're going to need to download the PDF file at Bible Crafts for Kids. It comes with the lesson, the illustrated instructions, the labels. What you're going to need is some scrap that we're going to cut into 2x2 squares. You're going to need a 6x6 base, and of course you're going to need the labels. So to get started, cut your 6x6 sheet of paper into a 6x6. Then cut 9 2x2 squares. This is a good way to use up scrap paper that you have, because you're going to need 9 2x2 squares. After cutting our 2x2 squares, we're going to need to use some adhesive. Now you can either put your adhesive on the back of your squares, or you can put it on your 6x6 base. We've chosen to put it on our 6x6 base. I tried to cover the entire base with double stick tape. By covering your base in double stick tape, you will not have to put double stick tape on your squares. But now let's cut out our labels. I always like to cut all the outside edges first. And then I like to cut off the memory verse card. And then I like to put my double stick tape on the back of my labels. Now, you do not have to use as much double stick tape as I do, because these labels are not going anywhere. But then we need to go ahead and cut out our labels. Now, after we have cut our labels and our squares, and we have our base, that completes our kit. Now let's assemble our kit. We're going to stick our squares on our base page, filling the entire page. So I'm going to remove my double stick tape, or the release paper, and I'm going to start filling my page. And it doesn't matter which order that you put these in, as long as you fill the entire page. Now let's attach our labels. Our top 10 Bible stories, Adam and Eve Broke It, Words to Live By, where it's found in the Bible, which is our passage, our key verse, the main characters, God, Adam, Eve, and Satan, and the words to live by was Jesus Fixed It. You know, as adults, We don't think much of these creative pages because they're just paper and labels. However, it is a puzzle, and it's a manipulation that the kids and your students, no matter how old they are, they like to do these interactive puzzles. So thank you for joining me today, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the fourth in the series of the Top 10 Bible Stories.